My name's R.T. Valine, and I started a band called R.T. and the 44s around 2009. We started here in Los Angeles. Well, I moved out to Los Angeles from Ohio. I grew up on a farm and moved to Los Angeles to play music. I played in a number of different groups as a sideman. Coming to Los Angeles is what threw me in the fire. It really upped my game. Around 2009, I started building a lot of my own instruments. Banjo basses, stand-up basses, guitars, just any manner of junk instruments out of scrap. It lent itself to a pretty interesting sound. That's really how we got started. It was a lot of fun. It was something different. It was entertaining for us, it was entertaining for other people, and started out doing all the recordings with the TASCAM 626. Then got into the computer recording, started using the TASCAM interfaces. And that was really important for me because I'd have a song idea and I would be able to get the whole thing out, all the parts that were in my head, the harmonies, the rhythms, all the other melodies on the other instrumentation, get it recorded as a sketch and then share it with the band. And that saves a lot of rehearsal time. We actually did a live recording at the Escondite here in downtown Los Angeles using the DR44 handheld recorder. And the nice thing about that is the remote application, we stuck it up in a corner of the room and then had somebody control it in one of the booths in the bar. So we mixed that with a board mix. Of course I roughed it up a little bit. I didn't want it to sound as clean as that thing sounds. So TASCAM has absolutely been integral in my development. Starting out again with the 626 Porta Studio. TASCAM has been with me since the inception of my music career in terms of recording, playback, and as I've grown, TASCAM has been there every step of the way and taught me and led me to where I am today.
You may be young, but you'll never slip away. You're born to die, live a life with one foot in the grave.